This video reviews the StairMaster 8G StepMill assembly instructions. Step 1. Remove all packaging material and parts not attached to the unit, including shrouds, mast, hardware card, etc., so the 8G StepMill is ready for assembly on the shipping crate platform. Move the main assembly carefully off of the shipping pallet. Caution: the unit is very heavy and 2 people may be needed to move the frame assembly. Step 2. Install the neck bracket. Secure the frame neck adapter to the chassis using 4 5/16 by 1 3/4 screws, 21 mm outer diameter washers, and 5/16 nylock hex nuts. Step 3. Slide the upper shroud cover and mast grommet onto the mast. Route the wires for the display up and out through the top of the mast. Use 2 3/8 inch by 3 5/8 inch screws, M10 washers, and 3/8 inch nylock hex nuts to secure the mast to the frame neck adapter. Step 4. Slide the upper shroud cover and neck grommet down the mast onto the frame, ensuring the grommet has a good seal between the mast and upper shroud. Secure using plastic rivets. Step 5. Install the neck beauty ring onto the top of the lower neck as shown. Slide 1 beauty ring onto both the right handrail of the hotbar handrail assembly, then use 2 5/16 inch by 3/4 inch screws and a .875 outer diameter washer to secure the right handrails to the mast. Repeat this step for the left handrail. Step 6. Slide the left handrail grommet onto the lower left handrail, then repeat this step for the right handrail grommet and lower right handrail. Then remove the lower handrail attachment hardware located on the frame and use it attached to left and right lower handrails. Step 6A. Attach the lower left handrail to the hotbar handrail assembly using 2 5/16 inch by 3/4 inch screws and a .875 inch outer diameter washer. Repeat this step for the lower right handrail. Check to ensure both beauty rings for the hotbar handrail assembly and the rubber grommets for both the mast and lower handrails are in place and all hardware is tight. Step 7. Attach the shrouds and lower left handrail cover using the plastic rivets, then repeat for the other side. Slide the lower handrail grommets down to ensure a tight seal against the lower shrouds and lower handrail covers. Step 8. With help from another individual, tip the 8G on its left side and install the left side leveling feet. Repeat this process for the right side leveling feet. Step 9. Fasten the back half of the console assembly to the mast using the screws supplied with the console. Step 10. Attach the cables to the console board. Connect the appropriate wires coming out of the mast to the correct locations. Please reference the console wiring guide, document number 6208424, included in the console box. Step 11. Secure the front half of the console assembly to the back half using the screws supplied with the console. Take care not to pinch any wires and ensure the rubber console grommet has a good seal.